So today I'm going to show you when it's a good time to use the Sense scanner and when it would be better to use a different workflow process. This scanner is ideal for copying heads, full people, or if you have a really kind of dynamic object that you wouldn't be able to build in a different workflow. Anything that is really dark, shiny, transparent, or cylinder-like would not be ideal for this particular method. The software needs to be able to see where there are edges and angles for you to get a nice clean scan. So if you just have like a vase, it will not be able to capture that easily. The scanner should be plugged into a USB 3 port. If you're not sure which USB is the USB 3, just try all of them until it works. If the software isn't already installed on your computer, it will launch the website automatically for download upon plugging in the scanner. Select the 3D Systems icon on your desktop. When the software launches, you'll be able to see the area that will be scanned with your camera. Under Scan Settings, you can select if you're scanning an object, head, or body. For this scan, we're going to select Object. In Settings, ensure that the object recognition is turned on. Look for the little green box surrounding your sculpture. You'll want to be centered here. Click Scan and there will be a countdown to begin your scan. This scanner works best in indirect light, scanning an object between 45 and 90-degree angles, moving around the object in 3D space. You can see the areas that have been scanned and recorded turn green. This is how you know you've captured the area. Move slowly and make sure you're moving the scanner up and down to capture all of the angles. You will lose tracking occasionally. Simply return to a place where you've previously scanned. Sometimes you'll need to try different angles or distances from the object. The closer you can be to your object, the better your scan will be. If you need to, you can start the scan over. Continue moving around the object or turning it with a lazy Susan, like we have done here, until your entire scan is captured. Remember to go slowly. Sometimes you might need to move between clockwise and counterclockwise to capture all of your curves and edges. Make sure that all of your details have turned green. Again, the more time you take, the cleaner your scan will be. Now that this is fully scanned, select Finish. You can also try using a tripod to help with your scanning. If you can set up the angles and be an optimum distance away, this might be easier for you. Since we have a fairly clean scan, you can see that there were some spots and a few overhangs that were missed. In Settings, we'll look at the wireframe and remove the color image. With Erase, I can zoom in and remove sections of the polygon. As this was captured in 3D space, we'll need to make sure we're erasing from multiple angles. You will always want to hit Apply before moving on to the next tool. This applies and saves your changes. Other tools available are Crop. When cropping, you can remove entire sections of the model. Trimming will create a clean line cut. and anything that you want to print will need to be solidified. When you solidify an object, the software will take its best guess to fill in any blank spots. You will want to export your files. Exporting as either an OBJ or STL is what we will need for 3D printing. And that's it. Thanks for watching.